Ooh, look. Here we go. What you think? No? Look. It just come right back out. I don't need you back a little bit. There. Alright.
Jack boy.
Yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. You're messy. You're doing the spoon really good. Good boy. Is he good? Is he gonna make you sleep good?
Hopefully.
Here we go. Yum, yum.
Need to let Ramsey out.
Okay, are we done videoing?
One more.
Okay, one more bite for our first cereal feeding. Oh no, not the hands. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good boy.